The video Second Sphinx Excavated in Egypt presents a highly challenging perspective on the history of the Giza Plateau, Egypt. It raises the question of the existence of a second monument similar to the Great Sphinx, while also highlighting evidence that the structures here may be far older than what mainstream archaeology officially acknowledges. First, the video refers to the research of Dr. Rita Abdel Halim, who proposed the hypothesis of a second Sphinx goddess, located to the south of the causeway leading to King Khafre's pyramid. According to her article, this monument is almost equal in size to the well-known Sphinx, measuring about 73 meters in length and 19.3 meters in body width. However, after thousands of years buried beneath the desert sands, the structure seems to have fallen into obscurity and remains little known. The next major focus of the video is the issue of the true age of the Giza monuments. At the International Conference on Geoarchaeology, a study suggested that these structures may have been built as far back as 800,000 years ago. Scientists Manik Vash and Alexander G. Parkhomenko presented evidence of water erosion on the monument's surfaces. This indicates that the structures must have existed during the lower Pleistocene, when the region still contained large freshwater lakes. This argument becomes even more convincing when compared with the severe erosion found on the walls surrounding the Sphinx, which shows traces of water dating back to a time before the Sahara Desert was formed, more than 9,000 years ago. Several independent researchers share this viewpoint. Robert Schoch, Robert Bauval, and Graham Hancock have suggested that the Sphinx could date back to around 10,500 to 12,000 BC, while Anthony West has even proposed a construction date of up to 36,000 BC. Furthermore, the video highlights other traces believed to have been deliberately overlooked by academia. For example, thick salt deposits up to 2 inches were found inside the pyramid chambers, along with sediments containing seashells and fossils dating to around 12,000 years ago, all pointing to a cataclysmic flood that once submerged the entire Giza Plateau. In addition, a water line was once observed on the limestone blocks of the Great Pyramid, at a height of about 400 feet above the current level of the Nile River, although this evidence was later destroyed. From all this data, the video concludes that there are strong indications the Giza monuments are far older than mainstream claims. The hypothesis of a second Sphinx goddess, along with the evidence of water erosion and geological traces, are key factors that call for a complete re-examination of the region's history. At the same time, the video implies that there has been a deliberate cover-up, as mainstream Egyptologists and historians have either ignored or refused to acknowledge this crucial evidence. Thank you for watching and supporting. Your curiosity and passion for uncovering hidden truths inspire us to continue exploring the world's greatest mysteries.